Hey, before you grab that snack, let me tell you a secret. I remember everything you put in me. Fresh veggies, I smile. Leftovers from last week, I worry. Your body runs on fuel. Grains give energy. Too much sugar? That's a short ride. Front shelves for foods that spoil fast. Back shelves for tomorrow. Organization saves health and money. So, what are you choosing today? Real energy or just empty cravings?